Alright guys, today we are staying at the Swan Resort. It is a deluxe resort here at Disney World. We're very excited to stay here. It'll be our first time, so let's check out the rooms.
So this is a king balcony room with a fold-out couch. This is not what we initially booked. We checked in late, so they gave our double queen to someone else, but they upgraded us to a balcony. So I mean, that was kind of cool. They gave us a free rollaway bed, which you'll see later, but honestly, the room was really nice. This view is absolutely gorgeous, and it was kind of a blessing in disguise if I'm being honest.
Yes, they put us on the 7th floor. It's not the tallest floor at the Swan Resort, but it's a pretty decent height up. You get to see the Dolphin Resort, the pool area, the pond, and going back into the room, the fold-out couch bed is a full-size bed, which is pretty decent space. And then here's the king bed. You know, king bed is pretty big. It can fit 2 or 3 people on it. And then let's move on over to the bathroom. The bathroom itself is pretty nice. You have 2 sinks, one outside of the bathroom area, so brush your teeth here, do your hair.
There's also a full body mirror on the door and a closet on the outside with a nice robe. And then on the inside of the bathroom, there's another sink, toilet obviously, and then a pretty nice shower. I liked it a lot.
And you also get a pretty nice widescreen TV, drawers to store your stuff and clothes. It also comes with a mini fridge, which is nice. Did the pillows pass the test?
These do. The ones that we asked for extra pillows. These pass the test. Those don't.
These pillows come standard with the room, and they're mega fluff, but not a soft fluff, like a hard fluff.
Like, that's something that my head's gonna be like this the whole night. Like, that sucks. Wait. Like, here's the pillow. It's gonna be like there's no... It's...
Here are a few of the food options at the Swan Resort specifically. This restaurant is called the Molino. It is like American food essentially. This one's Kimonos, which I think is a nice fancy bar. Then this is Garden Grove, which is like a breakfast brunch kind of restaurant. Now we're gonna go check out the pools, which is just straight out the lobby. You'll see signs. Daiquiris. Ooh. We're going to the pool. Pool. Oh my god. Automatic. Nice. No. This is what's so pretty right here. Especially at night. I've seen photos and everything and videos. It's so pretty right here at night. That's awesome. Wow. That's cool.
There's a beach over there.
Were we supposed to go that way for the pool? Or does it matter?
I don't think it matters. There's a beach over there.
Oh yeah, there's a beach. We can get on the beach, guys.
When your man takes you to Disney and the beach on the same day.
We have hammocks.
We have hammocks. I'm gonna relax in a hammock. There's swan boats.
Yeah, you can rent those swan boats. Oh, there's towels. Cool, they provide towels right over there. So here's the pool, a big lap pool. Both the Swan and the Dolphin pretty much have the same identical lap pool.
Nice. It looks really pretty. I'm excited to get in. Just relax.
Yeah. Look, hot tubs over there too. It's honestly not that big of a hot tub. Pretty small, like a standard hot tub. So a little disappointing there, but...
what are you gonna do?
But we get this like little beach resort.
Yeah.
Thing. Chairs, sand, squirrels.
Cute it is.
Hey dude, he's digging.
He's looking for his nuts.
So yeah, like earlier, like we said, Oh, they got sand volleyball here.
That's cool.
You can rent out those swan. You can rent out those swan things, pedalers, and pedal through the little pond over here. So yeah, we really love the beach view, and the fact that it has a beach is kind of cool. The only thing that we didn't like about it was that it's such a tease because you want to go into the water.
Yeah, but you're actually not allowed in the pond area, which is understandable. It was kind of gross.
So here now we're over on the Dolphin side. If you stay at the Dolphin or at the Swan, you can go to all of the pools. You don't have to stay at just one pool.
It was really cool because this place had it was a small water slide, but it was actually like really fun and pretty fast. We both thoroughly enjoyed it.
So the Dolphin also has another lap pool here. It's a bit deeper than the Swans, but either way, you can go to either resort and enjoy a lap pool. But the Dolphin also has a lounge pool, which is nice, and a few other hot tubs that you can jump into. And here's like a leading up area to where the slide is. But now just really quickly, we're gonna check out what's inside the Dolphin Resort. Not the rooms, but we're gonna check out the lobby and stuff like that. But right here is the bridge between the two resorts, and also to the right of us you can kind of see the boat. That will take you to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. Alright, so we're kind of exploring the Dolphin right now.
Yeah.
And there's a really big but very pretty fountain right here.
I like it a lot.
We're just on the opposite end of the Swan over there, which is where we're staying.
Mm-hmm. This one's so much bigger though.
Yeah, a ton of more rooms. I would say triple, if not quadruple.
Definitely. Ew.
Bless you. You can see it more from here, but Epcot is just right there. And you just you can take that bridge or this bridge, whichever one, go through the boardwalk and it'll loop to Epcot, France. Wow, their lobby is already much cooler than the Swan.
Well, I think this one is a lot more expensive than the Swan too. So it makes sense. Ah, there's Tafiti.
Let's go up to it.
Tafiti.
That's cool. Water.
And then you got all of that. Beautiful bar. You got a droid.
Whoa. Ours doesn't even have that.
Wow.
Wow. Very pretty. In comparison. So you got a nice bar. Have that very pretty chandeliers and fountain. So this is going to be how taking the friendship boat is to Epcot. We're at the Swan and Dolphin.
Welcome aboard, friends. We're headed to Epcot.
Thank you.
So if you're going to Epcot, when you get picked up from the boat, your first stop before you get there is the Yacht Club stop. And then right after that, you stop at the boardwalk to pick up more guests. And then, yeah. And just like that, we're here.
Woohoo! I'm tired.
All right, let me just step out right before security. And 10 o'clock is the last boat.
And the show's at 9. Thank you.
And right here's the Disney Skyliner. And yeah, right there is our entryway. And France is just right over there to our right. And just like many other Disney resorts, this one has their own, Disney gift shop in here to get you ready for your Disney trip. Bunch of candy, a bunch of merch. Whoa.
That's cute.
We love it. You can also get your Magic Band Pluses over here.
Oh, you can do pin trading if you're into that. The thing is, and what I've realized is on the pin boards, there are never any good pins. so it's like almost not worth it.
Alright guys, we are back home. We left the Swan Resort like 2 weeks ago, but we are talking about kind of our experience really fast
Yeah.
and if it was worth it.
Overall, I think it was a great experience. The rooms were always clean and smelled nice, and the hotel itself smelled nice. The pools were amazing, and with the proximity to the parks, it was so quick getting to all the parks that we went to. The only downside, which we have spoken about before, was just the fact that because we checked in late, the room that we booked was no longer available for us, which that made me mad, but...
I don't know if you would consider this a downside. It can be a downside. The Swan Resort is a deluxe resort, so it's a little more expensive, but it is on the cheaper end of...
like the Disney resorts in the area.
But with that being said, it's also not owned by Disney. It's owned by Marriott.
Yeah.
And so you do have to pay for parking, which was $36 a night.
Which is a bit expensive, for sure.
Because you're already paying $30 if you go to the park and you're not at a deluxe resort.
Yeah.
So to kind of get more money out of you for parking at the resorts.
Mm-hmm.
But then again, you know, you're closer to Epcot and Hollywood Studios with the Swan Resort.
So it's very much like a scale here.
Yeah.
You're closer, you have to pay a little more for parking.
Which is, you know, if you have a car. If you don't have a car, then you don't have to worry about that.
Right.
But,
You're solid.
Yeah, but we had a car,
Mm-hmm.
just because it made it more convenient. But they do transport you to Disney Springs and all the other parks.
Mm-hmm.
So like, if you don't have a car, then like nothing really big to worry about. And
Exactly.
they're pretty good.
Yeah. But if you do have a car, it can get a little expensive with the parking.
But yeah, pool's great. I mean, I slept pretty fine, even though we didn't have our 2 queen beds. We had our rollaway bed and the
A pull-out couch.
pull-out couch.
For a pull-out couch, it was okay. I mean, he slept on that. I did the rollaway bed. The rollaway bed actually felt just like a typical hotel bed, though. It was just like a twin-size bed. I tried to talk him into getting a rollaway, but he said he enjoyed the pull-out couch, so it gave us all more space in a way. And we got an upgraded room to a balcony, so it was very much a blessing in disguise, I think.
Yeah.
Like, it kind of sucked, but yeah.
Yeah, I chilled out on the balcony a couple times. It was nice.
Like in the mornings when you're awake before everyone else.
Yeah.
Or in the evening when you just want to relax. It was really cool. And a beautiful view over like the little beach area. Super cool.
So do I recommend the Swan Resort? I do, but just be wary of those things.
Yeah.
So check us out in the next Cozy Experience.
Peace!